Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect homemade mozzarella cheese without rennet. Okay, so guys, this recipe I'm going to drop the list of the ingredients I'm going to be using on the description box. Do check the measurement out. So guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using 2 liters non-pasteurized milk, and I'm going to leave it in my fire on a very low heat and give it a stir continuously so it won't get burnt. So at this point I'm just going to dip my hand inside my milk to check if it's hot. You don't want your milk to be boiled, you just want to dip your hand to see if your hand can resist the hotness. So at this point I'm going to add in my white vinegar and give it a stir continuously. I'm using half a cup of white vinegar, so you're just going to give it a stir continuously, slowly, so the curd will form. At this point you can see it is forming slowly, so you're just going to separate it from the whey. So at this moment you're just going to put it in your sieve to take off the whey from the curd, and make sure you give it a nice press. You want all the whey to go out from it. You want to make sure you squeeze off all the water. Just keep on squeezing it to make sure it properly dried up. So at this moment I'm just going to put in my some salt in my warm water. The water don't need to be hot, you just need a very warm water. So you leave it inside for about 30 seconds to a minute. Give it a nice squeeze, put it back again so it will get that nice taste from the salt. Give it a nice squeeze. You can repeat this process for about 3 to 4 times. So at this point you can see my mozzarella cheese is properly formed. I'm just going to dip it in the ice water to leave it to cool for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then you transfer it to your cling film and make sure you give it a very nice tight. Make sure you wrap it tightly, and you can save it for up to 3 to 4 weeks. So at this point I'm just going to give it a slice because I want to use it fresh. If you want to grate it, you just have to leave it in your freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, but I'm going to use it freshly to make my delicious tomato and basil mozzarella cheese. So I'm just using it fresh. If you want to have it grated, make sure you freeze it for about 3 to 4 minutes to make it thick and strong. So guys, I hope you enjoy this homemade mozzarella cheese without rennet, and please do make sure you give it a try and drop a comment if you achieve it the right way. So guys, join me, let's enjoy this refreshing delicacy, and please don't forget to subscribe if you find this recipe helpful. click on the like button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post any delicious and homemade recipe like this. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. So guys, let me show you the stretchiness of this cheese. I just put it in my microwave for some seconds. You can see how stretchy it is. You can use it to make your pizza, your cheese bread, anything. You can use this cheese to make it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Till I see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.